All right. It is I, Retep, and I am joined by EC Ramid 13, aka Icy Ramen.
Yo, what's going on?
And we about to play some stupid shit. Some Super Smash Brothers. Super Smash Dash. Super Door Smash. Bro, where you at? Join up.
45, right?
21:45. Man can't even get in the lobby.
It's been a hot minute.
Nah, you're just old.
She always makes me feel good. Alright, let's go. Oh my god. My last character I was on was some Pyromithra.
You said that to the public.
I don't claim any rights to main her.
Yeah, you do.
Oh my god. Goodbye. Already.
Bro, what's wrong with that? Laser. Oh my! I'm already at 10%. You got so scared. I forgot they buffed that. Oh, okay. I forgot they buffed up till. Hell no! Get the weak shit out of here. How do not get hit by Sean? That hit me from way too far.
Great hitbox. Fuck. That would have killed.
No, it wouldn't. It's dash attack. It's dash attack. That wouldn't have killed. Unless your DI is some fucking bonkers.
You too. Oh my fucking god. I'm at deficit. Oh my god. No.
Why are you spamming that?
I don't know what else to do. Alright, get up off stage. Alright. Fuck.
Oh my god, that's so dumb.
Alright. Fuck.
Hell no.
Oh my fucking. Yeah, light load. Oh fucking god.
Bro, spawn dodge smash attack is still in my veins, bro.
Not even matchup. I'm still on the deficit. Alright, double roll.
You mashed out of hit stun so hard. You just mashed jab out of hit stun. That hit me. That should not hit me. Oh, you're at 45.
Oh my god.
Oh, I went for it. I went for it. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh, so close, dude.
Wow, you really tried to hit that. Oh, I thought I died.
Bro, you're at 45. They got the fucking kill screen.
Why did the kill screen pop up at 40 fucking 5?
Dude,
This is
what?
why I got with this matchup. Dying at 45.
I literally just dared you and then down smash.
That's all it takes. Is that fuck wrong? Okay, alright. Okay, calm the fuck down. Let me breathe. Let me breathe. Let me breathe. What? Oh my dude, I can't fucking get out from. Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna. No. Oh my god, no.
That's a 0 to death.
I'm so ass. No, dude.
My down tilt? Oh.
Oops, oops. Alright.
Oh my god, I was like a pixel off. How'd that back air miss? You almost just died.
There for life. What the fuck? Oh my god. Fuck. No!
You would have been so bad.
You're trying to end my fucking career.
My down tilt.
Alright.
No.
What?
I'm Wolf.
No! This is so. Alright.
Spot down, down smash, baby!
Guys.
Bro, you're off. That first stock though.
Yeah.
Bruh. That was so good.
Can't move. I'm so big. My fucking tail. Alright, you don't expect this. Oh, whoa. Fuck. Okay, alright!
I really missed the tag. Fuck. That has so much lag. Why would you try that? It's,
my tail, I don't know, is it outrage or something?
it's wolf down smash. Why would you tempt fate? I fucked up.
You look bad. Huh?
What? That's... Why would you shield there? No.
Oh, I forgot this move exists.
It's Nair. How'd you... Bro, why are you like learning how to play as we're playing? This game's been out 3 years. I meant a laser. I did not mean to do that. What?
What? What? Are you fucking kidding? You deserve all the pain for these attempts.
That hit me from there.
I love the tail. Never mind. I fucking hate it, dude. God, I admit the grab ledge. Alright, 23%. I think that's fair.
No. I thought I would get on the platform. They're awful. That worked.
Why? That come.
They. Well, alright, you got it.
Fuck, man.
Down throw laser worked.
Why does that work at 120%?
I don't know.
It's so stupid.
Bro, that's so low tier gameplay right here. It's fucking Dark Realm Hello Kitty versus fucking Trash Panda.
That's an analogy, you said.
The bad thing is you can't even tell which one is which in there.
I was just gonna say that. I don't know who you're even talking about.
Did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. You are mashing. That hit you.
What? Why am I almost dead?
How'd that down smash miss you? How?
Whoops.
Oh my god. No, I did it the wrong way. You were invincible for so I'm in there.
Okay, alright. Oh my god, why does that work? It's so dumb. Fucking Aries. Fine, safe, good, alright.
No.
Oh, my fuck. Alright.
Oh!
No. I'm dead. Okay, no, I'm not. Oh,
You are.
Oh, never mind. Alright. Okay.
Oh my god, you're invincible for so long.
Die out here, bitch. Let's just die.
I went for it.
We were so thirsty for that. Oh my god. Oh, can we... So move right. We dip.
Some move.
Yeah, I love spot stop.
Spot stop.
Oh my god.
Are you dead? Nope. It's stale as fuck.
Nope, I'm gonna back up. Alright.
Oh, you went for it all, dude.
No.
Yo! No, Macy at the vet. I don't know. I don't know. Zach's mom took her. Zach's mom took her. Well, my wolf.
I love all smash and down smash.
What do you mean?
I get on the ledge and you just spot dodge up smash, down smash.
Bro, I mean...
Roll and die.
You're such a bitch.
Predicted.
Why can't I do that? How?
Gucci breakfast. Alright.
No, I thought I could make it. I should have wall jumped and then did it, but I thought I could just make it. I guess not. How I like moved out for so long.
Wow, I was tilting. I was crouching. I'm good.
Oh my god.
Stop. Oh my god, I'm the back away from the situation. Alright, and... What? Oh my
Okay.
I was nowhere near that split, but okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god, it's not fair! It's not fair! Oh my god, I almost died. What? Okay, shield, shield, shield. Don't die, don't die! Roach, roach. Alright, if I do this...
Man's trying to like calculate what to do in his mind. I'm out here just flicking the C stick, dude. Just trying to be all calculated. You're
I don't want to pray.
hello, bro. I am. Big ass.
So,
Big
ass.
fork on it. I'll be down to watch Black Clover later. Work on music. I sent you still running.
Alright, fuck it up.
You got grabbed.
Great song. Fucking dude.
Oh
Oh my god, why am I seeing 7%?
you did.
Why am I... Okay, no, I'm not dead.
Okay. This matchup's not bad. Fuck. Nope. No. Why?
What? I traded.
Like, why did that happen?
Very disgusting. Stop.
I was not prepared to tech there. Trying to land with down air on me, bro. Fuck out of here. What are you doing with that shit?
Oh my god, dude, I was... Stop. Oh, great. Derek hit me from nowhere.
From backward. Move. Last so long. Fuck. Well. Well. You got it.
That's fine, that's fine. Whoa, okay.
Okay.
Why?
Do it.
Oh, dude, I'm trying. No, I'm trying. Man's so scared.
Can't do anything.
Oh.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh, alright, stop saucing. Hold on, stop saucing.
Oh my god, no.
That grabbed me from so far.
I just need one confusion.
from so far. Why is your grab range the length of down smash? I'm like... Oh, that was so close. I don't know which way. I did not know which way to DI, dude. I'm like, fuck. I don't know where he's throwing me, dude. Like, I DI'd left.
Man said they had us in the first.
Like, bro, this matchup's not that bad, bro.
Yeah, it can't be.
It's not that bad.
I can't let you get momentum. If you get momentum,
No pun intended.
Alright.
Clip it.
Fucking lazy, man. I'm glad my combos not work on you.
They do. What the fuck do you mean?
If I down tilt this, that works. Okay, finally. Fucking hell.
Because I know how to DI it. I don't. I just guessed right, I guess.
Yeah.
I even baited it. Why is this working? Does it bother you that Mewtwo does that with his foot?
Yeah. I don't like the picture Mewtwo kicking. Or using his foot. Oh, what's that supposed to be? Tail.
That is. That's supposed to be up tail. Sounds like a Pixar film. I went for.
You held that. How does that work?
I'm Wolf.
Alright, teleport here. Alright, teleport here.
How are you alive?
DI, let's go! DI of the. Oh my god. I got DI for days. Stop.
Why are you invincible for so long? Why would you use the first? Oh, thank you. How? Appreciate it.
Oops.
You are scared for your life right now. Why didn't you?
I tried to. Just one up there, one up there.
Okay, you deserve that.
Okay, great invincibility.
See, finally works my way. You space that. How? I read the rule. You are trying some illegal activity, sir.
This is possible for me. Fucking. Oh my fucking god. Alright.
Oh my god.
That really almost.
I don't know how that. Are you dead? Oh, okay.
Oh no, please. Please, dude. No.
Bro, why you holding shield, fucker?
I tried to parry.
Bro, fucking, you look like Tyler Perry, alright? Fucking. Bro.
I don't know where that came from.
Bro, what do you mean?
It's just really fun public child care.
I mean,
You are 100 of those people that make comments. You made 100 different accounts and made different
I
comments.
did not. I'll send that Reddit to Nick, bro.
Don't do that, man. Like, Nick doesn't like, you know, he actually thinks I'm cool.
Yo, Nick. Zach said Icy looks like Malcolm Y.
Why you gotta do that, man?
He's Malcolm instead of Malcolm X. I just rolled like 3 times. Oh,
What?
don't you love Mewtwo?
Oh my god, Mewtwo's is so ass.
How? What?
Oh, I need to stop fucking running up. Okay, alright, wait for it.
Ah, yes, wait for it. Ah, yes. Be patient. Be patient. It'll happen.
Alright,
Why did that trip me?
I don't know what that did.
Why did that trip me?
Didn't know that move even do that.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh, fuck my shell ball.
What's happened to you?
I don't know. I got hit with something.
I'm landing that eventually, bro. Alright.
You won't get that on me. I'll SD you before you get that on me.
That hit from so far. Bitch.
Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I literally took 12% on that.
Why am I at 25?
My tail is stronger than my smash attack.
Why could you jab out of that? Bruh, you really challenged Wolf up B and worked, bro. Dude, it literally, it really traded.
I was like, I'm dead.
Bro, like, what the
I'm genuinely surprised that worked out for me.
yeah, I bet.
Alright, well.
Matchup's not that bad.
As long as they don't get like fucking Battlefields or something, I think we're fine. Oh, Kingdom Hearts Kid. Land.
Kingdom Hearts Kid Land.
Am I wrong?
He has a name.
Or the Explorer, I don't fucking know.
I'm behind you. I'm behind you.
Alright. I love that. 58 damage. Alright. Oh.
How'd that miss? How'd that grab me?
Yeah, alright. Alright, I'm
Oh. No!
Damn, you lost, dog. You failed that,
Okay. Okay. Bruh.
This grab is really good.
I'm meant to do dash
alright.
attack.
Yeah, I got that. You know, we parry in this house.
You live in a house?
Despite the
Fuck!
oh,
Well. Microwave ASMR.
that. Yep. Call me. Michael got max. Fucking. Yep. Hold on. Okay. Call me a microwave because this match is fucking done. Alright.
That's awful.
Fine. Alright. I need to get out of here. My fucking gosh. I got hit at this stage 5 times.
Alright. I'll play one more. How many KOs do you have?
How many do you have?
I asked you first. How many you got?
You know, the numbers not important.
How many do you have?
20.
20? Just 20?
Yeah.
Okay.
How many you have?
More than that.
Thanks. Great comparison.
Alright.
Alright, we want to try something else, a different start one time? Okay, I'm gonna fucking one, right? Whoops. Alright, not trying to do that.
No! Fuck. Alright, I had to go for it once in this set.
You tried that. You know, I respect for it, you know.
What are you doing?
Trying to live. Fuck. I forgot
What?
Okay.
What?
Alright, there took you off stage.
You like were on the stage and you I'm behind you.
I totally could have got this movie. Well, alright, we're good at it. I'm hefty stock. What is this? Fuck. Alright, fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
You really pivot grab.
Just gonna get me.
Okay.
Can't come back on this. Fuck. Fuck. Please.
Oh my god! Fucking go. You really let me come back. Man, I really got momentum one time, and that was it.
That's this fucking matchup in a nutshell.
Well, man, I think that's a good way to end it, just like that.
GG's.
So you know,
Good
GG.
games.
I got 26 in the 10 rounds. So you know.
Yeah, don't record this.